Are you a fan of spicy food? If so, did you know that the sensation of spicy is not actually a taste, but rather a form of pain? Spicy is not considered one of the primary tastes because it does not activate the taste buds. In the same way that the 5 primary tastes such as sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and savory do. The sensation of spiciness is caused by compounds found in spicy foods, such as capsaicin, which activate pain receptors in the mouth, causing a burning or tingling sensation. When people eating spicy foods say, "It's burning," they literally mean it, because it's the same pain receptor that gets activated when you are exposed to high temperatures such as flame of a fire. So, why do people enjoy spicy foods if they are actually causing pain? The answer lies in the body's response to pain. The body's natural response to pain is to release endorphins, which can create a pleasurable sensation similar to a spicy high. Interestingly, the level of spiciness that we can handle is primarily determined by genetics and also previous exposure to spicy foods. Some people are more sensitive to the burning sensation caused by capsaicin, while others can handle much higher levels of spiciness. So, the next time you enjoy a spicy dish, remember that you are not actually tasting the spice, rather you are experiencing a form of pain that your body has learned to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for similar videos.